to be a mobile people, moving around from steeple to steeple. If work ran out over here, you just packed up and ran over there. It could be a little disorienting, but in a big country, it's not too bad. Better than sticking around wanting, you end up that way very sad. Now though it seems there aren't any more dreams, and no place to go, nothing to do unless you got money strapped to your shoe. When the factories all closed down, you would have thought it brought death to the town. But most people all stuck around to see what was next going down. Turned out nothing was coming but new cars, TVs, money for everyone but those who needed it. If you want a job, go and look for it. They still didn't show. The manufacturing got up and go, moved their production to old Mexico, left us all holding the bill. Now though it seems there aren't any more dreams, and no place to go, nothing to do unless you got money strapped to your shoe. Then the tide started turning somewhere. They must have told them to go over there. It's safe and it's quiet, and you just might find a job or a house over there. So they trickled at first, then the dam burst, and they entered by millions and millions. Still the business is pressed, no land cost redressed, driving the farmers from their lands, breaking up all the fruit stands, firing guns into crowds. You know they can be loud when they're held in a soldier's hands. The people didn't know what to do, so out of their countries they flew to the one place they trusted is safe, that would be the United States. Now though it seems there aren't any more dreams, and no place to go, nothing to do unless you got money strapped to your shoe. Little did they know though that all of the dough had been confiscated and removed by a very strange group of bankers, investors, and fabricators who, wearing the mantle of honesty, had all become deep-seated cheaters. So when the people arrived, they were glad they were alive. But the streets are not paved with gold, and people are all bought and sold. The jobs they found were gone to the places they left beyond. The horizon they had passed just back. Now the work they sought they lack. Now though it seems there aren't any more dreams, and no place to go, nothing to do unless you got money strapped to your shoe. Some people cry outside in the streets, they take your job so they can eat. How can that make anyone feel better when in the winter they can't afford a sweater? There was a time when the world looked fine, there was always a little more time. Now the land has been bought through crime, there's no new farmers towing the line. They had grown fat and lazy, see, as they employ the employee. Their hands out for handouts that are paid off by you and me.